just bought a Volkswagen Golf Mark 7, but it's looking a little bit boring. So that's why we're back on Temu, because on places like Temu, you can buy these headlights for £200, and for the same thing on places like eBay, they cost over $2,000. So in today's video, let's transform my boring Golf into an insane masterpiece only using Temu parts.
Alright, so I'm thinking we should probably get some new lights, maybe even some new wheels, possibly even a new front bumper, new grille. I honestly just reckon we get a whole new front end.
Start doing some shopping and type in Temu. Okay, right, let's type in Golf Mark 7 and just see if anything comes up. Whoa! Alright, so we've got some sequential lights that literally oh, that's so cool. We need to add that. Oh, hang on, guys. I think I can see a spoiler. And guys, can we talk about the price difference? £28 on Temu, or for a legit one, £200. Yo, and check this out, guys. Look, this grill only cost me 30 quid, whereas an OEM one would be £200. Yo, high key, this is gonna look so cool. All right, let's go ahead and add that to cart. I'm also thinking, guys, we could swap the old bumper for maybe a new GTD style one, and that's only £200. Guys, we are fully decking out this Golf. All right, guys, now check this out too. I've even got some aftermarket Golf R tail lights. This is gonna be insane. Hey, guys, so I've just ordered all of the products from China. They're gonna take like over a month to get here.
6 months later.
Alright, so what I'm thinking, boys, is if we open up the boot, here we are, and then if we put the new lights in, yep, just like this, guys, we've gotten the new lights in. That was a simple job. We've even gotten the front lights in as well, and we've swapped on the GTD badge to the car. I think it's looking pretty good, but I think it's definitely needing that new bumper still, and yeah. Alright, boys, and it's been a bit of a late one today, but we got the lights finished on the car, as you could see, and tomorrow we are going to be fitting this like fake turbo thing. It should be really cool. I'll see if I can get some videos once it's fitted. Okay, boys, today was a crazy one. We got a ton of mods done to the car. So we had the front grille we added as well today, but it was missing the front emblem, which is super annoying. That's a Temu problem. And then we also swapped the front bumper. I'm gonna have to do a screen recording off my phone because I only took photos of it because I was doing it with my dad. But basically, look, you can see here we took off the bumper, and that's the old original bumper, the TDI bumper, which is boring and rubbish. That was what it looked like underneath the car. It did look pretty empty, I can't lie. That was the old bumper. It looks terrible. And then boom, here's the new one. Yeah, here's how she's looking so far, guys. I think that we've made pretty good progress. Bearing in mind, about a week ago, this is how the car was looking. So it was looking a whole lot more body compared to now. And a fan favorite, I bet a whole bunch of you were excited to see happen, was the carbon fiber spoiler. This was super easy. We literally just stuck it on with some 3M tape, and it looks amazing. Yeah, you boys can see from this video right here of the car, the new front bumper looks insane. The grille, the light, the rear Golf R lights as well, guys, and the spoiler all looks crazy. But you know what I'm thinking, boys, is we've done a lot of the good mods so far, and now to do the most transformation, I think we're gonna have to change the color to maybe gold, and also we're gonna need to get some new wheels at some point.
Boys, I'm pretty stuck right now. I'm having my morning coffee and I'm trying to decide what wrap we're gonna pick for the Golf. Currently, there's this green one that I think looks pretty good, but I've seen this other one on TikTok, which is this crazy like gold orange, which I think it just kind of looks like my hair that's blonde already, so I kind of like that color. The trouble is I live in the middle of nowhere, so finding a place to wrap my car is gonna be hard, but I think I have a solution. If I bring you guys into my office, I've actually found a garage that potentially could do it. They're fairly local to me. They live in Norwich. They've got a 5-star rating, so they've got a ton of people that have said like they're great quality. They have a specific thing dedicated to vehicle wrapping on an R8. I mean, if it's on an R8, they have to be pretty good. I'm gonna click on their visit site. Ooh, okay, so vinyl wrapping. Let's check out their gallery. Oh, dude, these for sure are people. They have an R8, a Porsche GT4, an SVR, a Jag type. Oh yeah, this is gonna be perfect. I guess if we can get it booked in. So let's go ahead and click on get a quote, and let's start filling this in. Boom, look at that, guys. It's only a 1.6, but fingers crossed they're gonna make it look fire. Yes, we want the wrapping. Vehicle year is 2013. Hang on, guys, let me put you down here where I could. Okay, so all the information is typed out. I'm gonna go ahead and press submit. Okay, so I've decided I'm just full sending the energetic yellow. As you guys can see, this is what, like, if you Google it, it looks like on all these different cars. So I really hope this looks fire, and we'll go pick it up in a week or two when we drop it off, guys, and we'll have to see the final result. I'm actually so nervous.
All right, so here's the reveal, guys. He's now pulling it out. Oh my God, what's gonna happen? Oh, dude, this looks so fucking clean, bro. Nah, this looks too clean. Look at the indicators as well, guys. Yo, this snapped on the design.
Alrighty, guys, so we just got back from VTA. The Golf is looking like a whole new car. Let's go meet my mates and surprise them with my new golden car.
Alright, hopefully it's fucking good. If it falls, then fuck. I'll do it first, because I'm close on the yeah, let him
So I just got back from seeing my mates, and if I'm being honest, my car just didn't sound that good. Especially now it's so bright and gold, I feel like we need a loud exhaust. And that's why I also surprise ordered a new exhaust that me and my dad are gonna be fitting this afternoon. Okay guys, so me and dad have been cooking, and we've just turned our single exit exhaust into a double exit exhaust on the Golf 1.6. How revolutionary is that? And we deleted the back box. So with no back box now, we should be running so much louder. Yeah. Oh, and as well, guys, I also ordered underglows for the car, so it's going to look crazy at night.
And can I just say, guys, I think this underglow mod is my best mod I've done all video. This looks insane in a parking garage.
Oh, and lastly as well, with the wheels just didn't look that good. Them diamond cut ones sucked, so I ordered some full gloss black ones for my birthday. Boom! And as you guys can see, the new wheels transform this car. I don't know why, there's just something about the black, like, door handles and the windows. It just goes with the wheels so good, as well as, like, the tinted front lights and the bumper. This car is looking like perfection now. So, let's go get some fucking rollers.
Yeah. Yellow ride like a school bus, yellow range truck. After party, she was on my dick, she wanna lay up. Gun out, take you on a trip, you better lace up. Fat blunt, we gon' light it up just like a laser. Yellow ride like a school bus, yellow range truck. After party, she was on my dick, she wanna lay up. Gun out, take you on a trip, you better lace up. Fat blunt, we gon' light it up just like a laser. TRUSS, I put that shit on my game. I put that shit on my chest. I put that shit on my chain. I put that shit on my flesh. I got cash on top of my brain. I thank God because I'm blessed. And they know why I'm outside. I get to it, I'm trying to take
Shake some for me, yeah, get naked. Oh my god, I hope you guys loved that little edit right there. Hopefully YouTube doesn't actually rape me for using that music. But hopefully you guys liked the transformation today from the Golf in silver at the start of the video to now the ultimate gold Golf that is the best, coolest Golf of all time. Oh yeah, and the cherry on the top of this video, guys, is I got the number plate that literally says Golf. So you can't do any better than that. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Also, I am now teaching you guys how I got rich exactly. And if you guys want to work with me, join the link down below in the Telegram, and I will help you guys go ahead and get put on the same method that I used to get rich. So anyways, guys, drop a like on this video, comment in my next video idea, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!